Hello students, good morning to all. Welcome to the 8th session. Last class, we have started the 3rd lesson, Advanced Features in Word. Today, we will be continuing that. Before that, let's have a quick revision of what we have studied in the previous class. We studied about a word processing software. Microsoft Word is a word processing software. It is used for typing, editing, formatting and printing text documents. Then we studied about Format Painter. Format Painter tool is used when we want to copy and apply the same formatting such as color, font, style and size to other section of text and graphics. Then we studied about subscript and superscript. What is subscript? Subscript option places the selected text slightly below the baseline and makes it appear smaller than the rest of the text. Whereas superscript option makes the selected text slightly above the baseline. It is widely used in representing mathematical formulae or expressions. Then we studied about applying shadow effect. A shadow effect changes the look of the text. It is a special visual effect added to an object that you insert in a document. Okay. Now we will start with the next topic, find option. You can use a find option to find a particular word in a document in Word. Microsoft Word provides the feature find and replace that enables you to search a word and replace it. So find option is used to find a word. So let's see what are the steps for using it. To use a find option, first click the find option present in the editing group of Home tab. Home tab, editing group, find option is there. Click on it. Then a navigation pane appears on the left. Then type the word that we want to find. We want to search in the search box. Then the word get highlighted in the document. Okay. Here you can see on the screen. Here this find option is here. As soon as you click on this find option, okay, you will get this navigation pane here. Here you will type the word and press the enter key. Okay, the word will get highlighted. Okay, this is the find option. You click from here on the toolbar and navigation pane appears. You will type the word here and press the enter key so that word will find the word. Okay. Now we will study about the replace option. Replace option is used to replace a word with another word. After finding, if we want to replace, change the word. Instead of that word, we want to use another word. Then we will use the find and replace option. To use a replace option, you will use the steps. Here you can see on the toolbar, just below the find option, replace option is here. As soon as you will click on the replace option, you will get this dialog box. Here it is written find and replace. Find what? There you will type the word which you want to find. Then replace with. You want to replace with which word? Okay. You will type this word here, and then here the options are given: replace, replace all, find next, cancel, all these options. Okay. So first steps, click the replace option present in the editing group of Home tab here. Here you will click the option, then type the word. The word you will type in the find what box, then type the word that you want to replace in the replace with box. Here replace with box is here. Here you will type the word which you want to replace with. Then click on replace all button here to replace all the word. Okay, so only one word, then you will just click on the replace. Okay, so these are the steps. Okay, click the replace option from the editing group of Home tab, then type the word in find what box, then type the word in the replace what box, then replace all to change. Okay, now we will study about shapes, working with the shapes. We can insert shapes such as rectangle, circles, arrows, lines, callouts and so on in a Word document. To insert the shapes, the steps are: first we will click on the insert tab. As you click the insert tab, in the illustrations group you will click on the shapes here. Okay, insert tab, illustrations group, you will click on the shape. As you click on the shapes, you will get this all the shapes. You can see all shapes, many shapes are here. Okay, arrow, rectangle, circle, many kinds of arrows, callouts, many shapes are here. Okay, then you will click on the shape, then keep the left mouse button pressed as you drag the, just click it and drag and bring to the document, and okay, and draw. Keep the left mouse button pressed and drag the pointer to draw the shape. Then the shapes will be inserted in the document. Okay. Now we will see the steps. Okay, click the insert tab first, then illustration group, click on shapes, then select a shape, then keep the left mouse button pressed and drag the pointer to draw the shape. Okay, the shapes will be inserted. Now changing the style of the shape. Okay, to change the style of a shape, what to do? First we will select the shape. Okay, click on the shape, then in the shapes styles group select any one option. As you click on this, okay, shapes styles, okay, you will get this format. Okay, many styles you can see here. From here any of the styles you will click it and the styles will be changed. Clear? To change the outline of a shape, first select the shape. Here you can see the outline here. Okay, so here, okay, this is the outline. Here you can see. Then first click on the shape, then select the shape outline. Here you can see, okay, shape outline, then a drop down menu. Okay, here you can find a drop down menu. It is written no outline, more outline, colors, weight, dashes, all this is written here. Okay, now choose the outline color. You can, whichever color you want for the outline, you will select it from the drop down menu. Then select the type of outline from the weight and dashes option. Here you can see weight and dashes options. Okay, from there you will select the weight and dashes option so that the outline is changed. Okay, now let's see applying a shape effects. To apply different effects to a shape such as shadow, reflection, glow and so on, we will follow these steps. First, select the shape by clicking on it. Okay. Then as you select the shape, then click on the shape effects option. You can find here shape of effects option is here. Okay. So click on it. As you click on it, this drop down menu comes. From there, choose the desired shape effects option. Here it is written preset, shadow, reflection, glow, soft edges. All these options are here. From there, whichever the option you want, you can select it. Okay, clear? First, select the shape. Click on the shape and then click the shape effects option. Drop down menu comes. From there you select the shape effects. Okay. Now inserting text in a shape. We can insert text in a shape. So how to insert text? To insert text inside a shape, just click on it and start typing. Okay, the text appears inside the shape as we type. Now, all of you take out page number 36. We will do the tick the correct answer. Okay, exercise number A. Tick the correct answer. Which option is used to copy and apply formatting from one part of the document to another? You have studied, that is Format Painter. Okay, the answer is Format Painter. Second question, which option is used to search a word in a document? The answer is Find option. We use the Find option to search a word in a document. Now, third question, which option is used to replace one word with another? The answer is Replace. We use the Replace option to replace one word with another. Then next question is, which option gives the shadow effect to a shape in a document? The answer is Shape Effects option. Okay, Shape Effects option. Now we will move to option B. Question number B, fill in the blanks. Okay. First one, to apply the formatting effects in dash places, double click on the Format Painter option. The answer is multiple. Okay. To apply the format effects in multiple places, double click on the Format Painter option. Now question number 2. The dash option makes the selected text smaller and higher than the main text in a document. The answer is superscript. Superscript option makes the selected text smaller and higher than the main text in a document. The editing group is found on the Home tab. Okay, the answer is Home tab. Now question number 4. To insert text inside the shape, click on the dash and start typing. Just now we have learned about that. To insert text inside a shape, click on the shape and start typing. Okay, the answer is shape. Now question number D. Identify the icons and write why they are used. Okay, the first icon is given Format Painter. Okay, the picture is given. Okay, first one is Format Painter. It is used to copy and apply formatting from one place to another. Okay. Then shapes. Shapes is used to insert shapes in a document. Now number 3, shape outline. Shape outline is used to change the outline of a shape. The last option, shape effects. Okay. It is used to apply different effects to a shape. Okay, to apply different effects to a shape. Okay. Now question number E. Answer the following questions based on the above dialog box. One dialog box is given, find and replace dialog box is given. Based on that, some questions are asked. The first question, which tab and option will you click to get this dialog box? The answer is home tab and find and replace option. Okay, home tab, find and replace option. Then question number 2, write the use of this dialog box. This dialog box is used to replace a word with another word. Okay, it is used to replace a word with another word. Then question number 3, which option will you click on to replace all occurrence of given word? We will click on replace all option. Okay, it is given replace all option. Okay, now all of you take out page number 31. We will do the true or false. Okay, first one, superscript option makes the selected text smaller and lower than the main text in a document. You all know very well that superscript option makes the selected text smaller and higher than the main text in a document. So the answer is false. Okay. Second question, you use insert option to search for a word in a document. We will use find option to search for a word in a document. So this also false. Okay. Now question number 3. To replace a word with another word, you use the replace option in word. So the answer is true. Okay. Now we have completed the exercise. Okay. Now let's revise what we have studied today. We studied about find option. You can use the find option to find a particular word in a document. MS Word provides a feature find and replace that enables you to search a word and replace it. Then we studied about replace option. You can use the replace option to replace a word with another. Then we studied about working with shapes or inserting shapes. We can insert shapes such as rectangles, circles, arrows, lines and so on to our document. We can change the style, outline, add effects of the shapes from the shape styles group of the format tab. We can also add text in the shape. We can insert text in a shape. Just click on the shape and start typing so that the text will be inserted in the shape. Now we have completed the lesson. Okay, the notes will be uploaded in our website. You can download it from there and write it. Okay, also learn it. Okay, we have completed the first 3 lessons. Lesson 1, evolution of computers. Lesson 2, types of software. And lesson 3, advanced features in Word. Okay, so first semester portion is completed. Please learn it. Okay, all question answers and book exercise. Now I will give a summer assignment also. Okay, summer assignment will be done in your copy. Okay, after completing all the 3 lessons answers, you can do the summer assignment. So this is your summer assignment. Draw or paste the picture of any 5 early calculating devices and write a few lines about them. Okay. So in the first lesson we studied about the calculating devices like abacus, Napier's bond, analytical engine, difference engine, all this. Okay. So any 5, write about any 5. You can paste the picture of it, and if you are not getting it, okay. Now I know it is a long-term period, so you can draw it. Okay, draw the picture and write a few lines about it. Okay. So you can do it in your copy. Okay, children.